What happens when someone dies in a nursing home? Who gets called first? What steps follow? And how does the family get notified? If you've ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes, this video will walk you through it step by step. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program Site, your trusted resource for funeral guidance, planning, and meaningful memorial ideas. When a resident passes away in a nursing home, trained staff respond immediately. A nurse will check for vital signs and officially confirm that death has occurred. If the death was expected, such as in hospice care or due to a known illness, the process is typically calm and handled with care and dignity. Staff will gently prepare the individual, often closing the eyes, positioning the body respectfully, and ensuring the environment is peaceful. Next, the nursing home begins a series of important notifications. The first call is usually to the family or the designated next of kin. At the same time, the attending physician or hospice nurse is notified to legally pronounce the death if required in that state. If funeral arrangements were pre-planned, the funeral home listed in the residence file will also be contacted. If not, the family may be asked which funeral home they would like to use. The nursing home staff will begin completing necessary documentation. This includes recording the time of death, circumstances, and medical details needed for the death certificate. The physician will later sign the death certificate, confirming the cause of death. If the death was unexpected or unusual, local authorities or a medical examiner may need to be notified, but this is less common in nursing home settings. After everything is confirmed, the nursing home staff will continue caring for the body with dignity and respect. They may bathe and dress the individual or simply prepare them for transfer, depending on facility policies and family wishes. The body is typically moved to a private designated area within the facility until the funeral home arrives. Throughout this process, staff aim to maintain a peaceful and respectful atmosphere. Once the funeral home is contacted, they will send a team to transport the body. This usually happens within a few hours, though timing can vary based on family decisions and availability. The funeral professionals handle the transfer carefully and respectfully, ensuring the individual is taken into their care for the next steps, whether burial or cremation. Nursing home staff also play an important role in supporting the family. They may offer condolences, provide guidance on what to do next, and assist with personal belongings. Some facilities even offer quiet time for loved ones to come and say goodbye if they weren't present at the time of passing. For more guidance on funeral planning, traditions, and meaningful tributes, subscribe to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program Site. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Take care and bye for now.